What's up guys, welcome to this new video. Today we're gonna build a $350 Hackintosh, which is, trust me, a real Mac Mini killer. But first, let's jump into Apple's website to take a look at some prices. If we go to Mac and then to Mac Mini, we can see that Apple's now selling the base model at $799. This configuration comes with an i3 4 cores at 3.6 GHz, 128 gigs of SSD and 8 gigs of RAM. So, for this video I want to try recreate this configuration on Amazon, and let me show you what I found. The processor I chose is an i3 8100 with a clock up to 3.6 GHz, while for the RAM I chose obviously 8 gigs of DDR4 memory divided into sticks of 4 gigs each. For the power supply I chose a Thermaltake 500 watts with an 80+ certification, so that if you want you can add a GPU in the future. I had quite a hard time looking for the right M80X motherboard, but I finally opted for the Gigabyte B360M DS3H, as we don't need to overclock the processor, and Gigabyte boards are well known for their high compatibility with Hackintoshes. Both the storage and the case you can choose wherever you want, but if you want to keep your budget at $350, I'd suggest you a simple 128 gigs SSD, while for the case a KlLLER Master Box 3.1 is according to me the best choice for $150, and it's actually my case and I find it really beautiful, so it's up to you. If we compare our system to Apple's Mac Mini, we find out that for an additional $450 you get a much more compact design along with a very stable user experience, and of course much more powerful IOs. While on the other hand you get a fully upgradable machine which can last for a lot of time. In conclusion, is this beautiful machine called Mac Mini worth its higher cost? Well, it depends. You are very practical with computers and you like to swap out and change components whenever you want, well, you can't go wrong with the Hackintosh. While if you are looking to an easy to use and compact solution, the Mac Mini is what is gonna work for you. This video ends here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do, and please consider subscribing because, as you probably noticed, English isn't my main language, so it's very difficult for me to make these kind of videos, but I like it a lot. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video and let's see you later.